Why Dischidia and ants are close to each other. Hello guys, this is GreenStuff from a garden cat. Today we are going to talk about some facts of Dischidia in a minute. Very first fact is the underside of the leaves has a space which is filled with the root that ants take shelter. The second one, the Dischidia, which is sometimes called singly plants because the leaves tend to overlap as it's grown up or down in the surface. Number 3, it's growing to 6 feet long. The vines has many thin twining branches. It grows in rainforest as an epiphytic. They are native to tropical areas of China, India, and most are found in Indochina. Dischidia required indirect sunlight for at least half a day, avoiding placing it near to door or windows where draft can street and the plant.